Welcome! Get ready for a highlight reel of life's best bloopers, moments that'll make you laugh, cringe, and feel right at home. Enjoy! If tree golfing were a sport, he'd have the championship title nailed down for sure. Can someone kindly let her know she's not exactly the next master chef?
So Lauren bought a pastry. What is it called? Pastry tube. Pastry tube. Okay, let's see him in action here.
This might be the universe saying, maybe cooking isn't your calling.
Oh, Jesus, nice cheap one.
Take picture, Luke. Watch.
Going home? Too soon. Let me show you a different place, said the dog.
Oh my God, what is that?
Every guy's nightmare in one word, armpit waxing. Need we say more?
Oh, I love that.
Fishing 101, he's got the catch, but maybe give the phone back to the fish. Bride's bouquet toss. She tried sharing luck, but it seems no one wanted it.
One, go! Trace ran out of his shoes, and you fell.
Egg on the floor. Don't worry, she's got a creative fix.
Hey. Thank you.
Looks like this cat's been duped one too many times before. Why the chef never loses his seat? He literally takes everything with him. Phone opener for beer, instant regret, and one less phone. Spotting giraffes? Turns out you might need a different viewing angle. When the fridge is full, here's a clever tip you didn't know you needed. Meet our new model, Baby Cow, fresh milk look included. Toilet pool party denied. Talk about a dream crushed. Grandpa's fire, blowing out birthday candles was never this intense.
Nice.
Dropping eggs 1,000 times, she finally cracked the solutions. Even wigs need a good wash, apparently. A new piano learning hacks, but something went hilariously wrong. Tteokbokki too hot? Don't worry, let the belly do the cooling.
Stay in the middle.
caught boyfriend cheating, but oops, luggage dropped into the water.
Are you a male or female?
Email.
An email.
Email.
The ultimate cat getting sprayed face every time. Cat versus mysterious opponent, a battle for the ages. Men's reaction when women choose cookware is priceless. Oh look, we have a new imposter on the scene.
Oh my God, what is that?
The dog just doesn't get why it can't beat the plumber. Cat's reaction to its first taste of ice cream is pure comedy. Missed your flight? Relax, fixing it's a breeze.
Important to place the smaller items such as backpacks and purses under your seat for starting to overheat bins.
All he wanted was a car selfie, but guess who saw it?
Now get off the car.
Time's up, human. Move along, thought the horse. Picnic chair or sneaky trap? He found out the hard way, right? The Leaning Tower of Pisa, sworn enemy of every couple's selfie. Why mom say, enough screen time, kids? Thanks to this girl, we now know chairs are fashion statements. When the dog decides it's done being bossed around. First time on a motorbike? Yeah, it's obvious. That moment when a perfectly good day goes south fast.
If you land on the metal.
Great water jump, but maybe a bit more practice is needed. He wanted a cool shot, but his shorts had other plans. Lesson of the day, never dance with your food.
No! What the is this? No!
Proof of why some people say just let the men drive.
Oh no!
Bet they'll be stunned once they figure out why it's so heavy. The cat's dance lesson from the fish itself.
Vente, gordo. Vente. Ah, no.
Wait, what? Is that dog walking on just two legs?
Find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
Olha isso. Quando eu vi esse vídeo...
No creature can resist the call of beer, not even a bird. Dentist appointment missed. Bird dentistry it is.
How many sugars? Just 2, please.
Kid's face says it all. First encounter with a smell that bad.
Listen. Smell my feet.
Now hold on, why does B got fur? I ain't never seen nothing like this in my life. This some shit out Juma. Oh shit.
Oh wow, we've got a Kiwi look-alike duo here.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Spidey wannabe. Long road ahead, my guy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, guys, let's make some chicken. Season, butter. What the f?
Not happy with the car horn? DIY it yourself. Unique results guaranteed. Repairman's assurance. This is his proof. The girl's done. Now it's the cat's turn for practice.
Quarta, quinta e ré. Aí tem acelerador, freio e embreagem. Toma.
Fastest way to break a dog's heart in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god.
The iPhone's gone and he didn't even blink.
Boss. Gel catch children. Şaşma, okay? Şaşırma.
Vale, venga. Rápido, en plan, 1, 2. Vale, 1, 2 y 3. Ay, bien. ¿Cómo no es tan complicado?
Had he known the outcome, the driveway wouldn't have taken 2 hours. wedding jitters? He literally left his bride in the car.
Dominique! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
When you love knots so much, even meals are fair game. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed today's laughs, don't forget to subscribe and share the fun. More funny moments coming soon.